Hello people, now my friend Bea and me are going to speak you about plastics. Okay, let's go. What are plastics, Bea?
Plastic is the general common term for a wide range of synthetic or semi-synthetic materials used in a huge and growing range of applications from packaging to buildings, from cars to medical devices, toys, clothes. And now Rachel, can you say us where does it come from?
Oh yes, plastics are derived from organic products. The material used in the production of plastics are natural products such as cellulose, coal, natural gas, cell, and of course crude oil. Crude oil is a complex mixture of thousands of compounds. To become useful, it must be processed. The production of plastic begins with a distillation process in an oil refinery. The distillation process involves the separation of heavy crude oil into liquid groups called fraction. As fraction is a mixture of hydrocarbon chains, with different terms of the size and structure of their molecules. One of these fractions, naphtha, is the crucial element for the production. And now, Bea, will you explain us the types of plastics that exist?
Yes, there are two broad categories of plastic materials: thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. Thermoplastics can be heated up to form products, and then, if these end products are reheated, the plastic will soften and melt again, such as polycarbonate, polyethylene. In contrast, thermoset plastics can be melted and formed, but once they take shape after they have solidified, they stay solid and, unlike thermoplastic, cannot be remelted, such as epoxide phenolformaldehyde.
Okay.
Now my friend Rachel is going to explain us the uses that plastic have.
We use plastic products to help make our lives cleaner, easier, safer, and more enjoyable. You will find plastics in the clothes we wear, the house we live in, and the cars we travel in. The toys we play with, the television we watch, the computers we use, and the CDs we listen to contain plastics. Even the toothbrushes you use every day contain plastics. Plastics are also increasingly used in packaging, building and construction, transportation, electrical and electronic, agriculture, medical and health, sport, leisure, and design.
And Rachel, could you explain some related to plastics and environment?
Of course, plastics products are already helping every day to improve people's lives, whilst conserving natural resources and helping to protect the environment for tomorrow. In a world that is growing in population, with ever increasing demands for water, food, shelter, sanitation, energy, health services, and economic security.
And finally I'm going to explain you a bit of history of plastics. Humankind worked hard from the earliest times to develop materials which would offer benefits not found in natural products. The development of plastic materials started with the use of natural materials with plastic properties, then evolved with the development of chemically modified natural materials, and finally the wide range of completely synthetic materials that we would recognize as modern plastics started to be developed around 100 years ago. Perhaps the earliest example was invented by Alexander Parks in 1855. We know it today as celluloid, but he named it Parkensine. Polyvinyl chloride (PVC) was first polymerized between 1838 and 1872. And a key breakthrough came in 1907, when Leo Baekeland created Bakelite, the first real synthetic mass-produced plastic.
Okay, Bea.
Hey, I heard you are a wild one. Ooh, if I took you home and be a woman, show me how you do. I wanna shut down the club with you. Hey, I
you don't care, we like almost there, the right vibe, ready to get live, ain't no surprise, take me so high, jumping those dives, surfing the crowd. Ooh, said I gotta be the man, I'm the head of my band, mic check 1, 2. Shut them down in the club where the Playboy does, so they all get loose, out the bottle, we all get fit in again tomorrow. Gotta break rules, cause that's the motto. Club shut down 100 supermodels.
Hey, I heard you were a wild one. Ooh, if I took you home and be a home run, show me how you do. I wanna shut down the club with you. Hey, I heard you like the wild ones, wild ones, wild ones.
Party rocker, for showstopper, more shampoo, #1 club hopper. Got a hangover like too much vodka. Can't see me with 10 binoculars. So cool, no doubt by the end of the night, got the clothes coming off, then I make that move. Somehow, some way, gotta raise the roof. All black shades when the sun come through. It's on like everything goes. Wild out, baby, to the freak it shows. What happens to that body is a private show. Stays right here, private show. I like a mundane, don't talk high pain. Tolerance bottoms up when it's champagne. My life, come Muhammad, then we hit Spain. Too easy with you there, we get insane.